Hey guys, what I've got here is the StoneStream shower head. Now the universal shower filtration is an optional purchase, giving you much more cleaner and safer water to shower with. That's if you live in a hard water area that has high concentration of limestone. So inside the box we got a 1.5 meters of a shower hose, a manual explaining the warranty, instructions and benefits of showering with a StoneStream shower head. Now guys, if you have an electric shower, then make sure you purchase the right one that does not have the stop button, as you don't want to restrict the water flow from an electric shower, which may cause problems. Replacing the shower head and hose seems pretty much straightforward. And on here it's been advised to replace the filter stones every 8 months depending upon usage. It also tells you how to maintain your shower head too, just by using vinegar and water. That's a good tip to share. We got a pack of replaceable filter stones and the StoneStream shower head. Love the design and the texture on this. Made of ABS plastic and aluminium, hence it's light in weight. Has different shower modes too. So basically the job of this shower head is to filter chlorine, bacteria and dirt through 3 different mineral stones, which helps restore the water's pH balance to your hair and body. This side of the hose screws at the bottom of the head and the other to the electric shower or mixer tap. Make sure your electric shower is turned off. Unattach your old shower hose pipe. Attach your new hose pipe to the head and to the shower unit. It is as simple as that. Make sure all is secure and switch on. Now StoneStream do state its Eco Power shower heads increases water flow pressure than other shower heads. Also reduces shower water consumption by 35%. Check out the website for more information on this. 3 modes on this head for your desired shower. Jet, massage and rainfall. Overall it's a good replaceable shower head to have that reduces the bad stuff that travels through the water pipes, giving it a good rate of water flow to have a shower, which can save you money if you're on a water meter. These types of shower heads has been on the market for some time now, and to me it's all good in the hood to replace my old shower head to a StoneStream one. Take care guys, stay safe, peace.